Welcome to Pots, Pans, and Pioneers. Today I'm going to show you a really easy dessert. It's great for company, and if you're a fan of lemon, you'll absolutely love it. What I'm using here today is going to be the Oreo, golden Oreo version of the Oreo cookie. You could use a vanilla, any vanilla cookie you want, and what I'm going to do is I need to chop up 2 cups of it. So I'm going to have to fill up my little choppers we get. I'm going to get these chopped up. This chopper always comes in handy. I love it. Oops. And you want a fine chop. You really don't want it to be too rough. So we'll use our little 2-cup measuring. Something in the way. There we go. A little over 2, but we're going to go with it. You could also use graham crackers if you wanted to. Okay. So it looks like it was like 2 sleeves of Oreos, 2.5 sleeves. So to the 2 cups of Oreo cookies, we need a tablespoon of sugar. There's already sugar in it, but this will help bind it. I'm gonna take, okay, 2 cups and the sugar. Looks like I could have ground that a little bit finer. Try to do it as fine as you can. Any big chunks you can mash with your fingers. Clean hands, of course. Okay. Then we need to get our butter. Okay, we're going to make our cream cheese filling, the first layer. And I'm sifting. I've got a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar in there. I'm going to get the other 1/2 cup, so it's a full cup of powdered sugar. Okay, I've decided to switch out some bowls, so I'm going to leave the little bit of powdered sugar that's in here, but we're going to whip our whipped cream because I need to get this whipped at a high speed and my other hand mixer doesn't work as well. I'm going to do 1 cup of whipping cream, and this is just organic heavy whipping cream. We're going to put this on really high speed. The powdered sugar that's left in here will not matter at all, but don't do that. I've just decided to change it up. Okay, we're gonna blend this on high until it's fluffy like whipped cream. Now we have whipped cream, and it's unsugared because there's not hardly any sugar in it. So now we're going to set this aside, and we're going to take our powdered sugar. Hopefully you can see that. We're going to take our 1 brick of cream cheese. We're going to put a little bit of vanilla in here. And we're going to cream this together once I plug it in. Some of it got away with it. It's okay. Okay. Then we're going to take our cream cheese filling. Let me tap these. Get as much as we can off of them. Then we're going to take our whipped topping and our cream cheese. Okay. We're just going to fold this together. Just going to fold it together and mix it. You don't want to whip it, you just want to fold it together where it's all blending so that all the sweet cream cheese mixes with the whipped cream. Okay, we don't want to over mix it because it'll start to deflate and break down. So then we want to take our 9x13 crust that came out of the oven, and we're going to take this cream cheese filling, and we're going to spread it gently over these crumbs. If you manhandle it, the crumbs are going to come up off of the pan. So I recommend, if it's the very first time you do it, that you use the back of a spoon. But if you're really good at spreading stuff, then obviously you can use a spatula. We're just going to spread it out. If you can hear that rain, it's pouring down, raining outside. I'm going to make sure we get all the edges. This is a very, very yummy dessert. It's hard to have one piece. So you could double this recipe and make a really big pan of it if you chose. Okay, we're going to go to our next layer. Alright, okay, we've got our cream cheese done, and our next layer is going to be just lemon pie filling, and I'm using the Licky Leaf brand. It's their premium. These cans are, I would say, pretty pricey. They're $2 for 2 cups. You can make your own lemon filling. It's very easy. I just have these on hand for something quick and easy where I don't have to stand over the stove and make lemon pie filling. So, this undone. I'll get the Okay, we're going to just take the pie filling out. I use the back of a spoon, and I'm going to dab it on. When I was a girl, we used to sit at my grandmother's table. Anytime she had baking going on, we liked to lick everything. All the utensils, all the bowls. And if we weren't near her in a kitchen, we would be called to ask if we wanted to lick the bowl or lick the spatulas or the beaters. I don't know if you got to do that as a child, but It's a lot of fun. Okay. Alright, and I'm just sealing around the edges like that. And making sure that it's... You'd think it'd be too much for this 9x13, but it really isn't. Alright, we're going to put some saran wrap over this and put it in the refrigerator, and we'll bring it out in the morning and finish off the top. So we'll be back. Okay, we have our dessert that we put in overnight, taking off the saran wrap. I use press and seal. I usually don't buy saran wrap. It's just a better performer than saran wrap, in my opinion. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to take some whipping cream. You can use Cool Whip if you want. Bill likes a lot of whipped cream, so. Alright, and then we're going to take, I've got a little bit more extra cookie crumbs, and we're just going to sprinkle those over the top. Okay, let's cut a slice. And first piece is always the hardest to get out. So let's try. So there you have it. And we'll go see what Bill thinks about this. This is our lemon cheesecake cookie dessert. Okay, that is a lemon cheesecake cookie dessert.
I like it. I like the lemon. The lemon's good.
Okay, I hope you enjoy this recipe, and we'll see you on the next video.